YouTube? It's your girl Toya, and we are back. Well, I shouldn't say we, but I am back, and I am back with a special guest. I want to know who it is. Guess who it is first. Guess who it is. I know you could hear him giggling. He can't control himself. So, anyways, my special guest is Akari.
Hi.
Yes, guys, this is Akari, my son. I finally got him back by my mom. So he will be in the videos with us. And yes, guys, we are back. I know we have not made a video in a long time, but we are back. Okay, and we are back with our prank. Cause you notice who ain't here, Corwin ain't here. So we're going to prank Corwin right about no. Well, not now, when he get home. So the prank is going to be that we are going to, when Corwin walk in the door, we are going to light him up.
You serious?
With some Nerf guns, okay?
I was just about to say, don't say light him up because they would be like, what? Why would you light the man on fire?
No. So we are going to light him up with some Nerf guns, okay? And no, he's not going to get hurt by it or anything. We always play Nerf guns and nobody is ever hurt because we make sure not to go for the face, the eyes, and, you know, stuff that will actually hurt you. So, anyways, Carrie and I were here putting up the Christmas tree. Don't judge us, guys, but Carrie did some kind of thing here. I don't know what it is, but yeah. We started on the Christmas tree. We gotta finish it.
Look at the next
And we were putting up the train and everything, but we just got the idea to like, ding, prank Corwin. So we have all our guns here. Let me try. We have all our guns here, waiting for Corwin when he come home. So we were thinking whether or not we should leave a gun outside in
the laundry room.
In the laundry room for Corwin to see if he gonna know, like,
okay,
that means that this gonna be a war, to see if he gonna know, okay? So we might just leave a little pow for him. What do you think? I think we should leave the single shooter, just a little one.
The dually.
Oh, this one, it only holds 2 bullets,
but it just shoot one.
We don't want him to come back and shoot us up, you know? So we're going to just leave him a little pow. Oh, what other one? This one. So it can only fire 1 bullet at a time, but
it
hold couple more, and even one on the bottom.
3, 4,
so
5.
Let us know in the comments which one should we leave for him. I think we're gonna leave this one for Corwin. Okay. So, anyways, before we even get started, I just need you to go one time and comment Team Toya and Team Akari because we're going to prank Corwin. And don't forget, guys,
like, comment, and
subscribe, okay? Tell a friend that Toya and Corwin channel is back, okay? Alright. So, let's go put it.
Where you think we should hide the camera?
So we're going to...
In the laundry room or in this hallway?
We're going to put this one for Corwin.
I would say
Just be quiet.
can check the alarm.
So we can put this one right on the dryer. We're gonna put this one on the dryer for Kerwin.
Should we put a little note that say bullet on bottom
Really, nigga?
of gun?
Anyways, guys, so yeah, we're gonna leave his gun there for him, and when he gets home, it's going to be
Ready.
The next day.
Okay, aim at the garage door.
Move back.
Right here. Right here. I can oh wait, you got it? Hey. Where was the mirror? Like, video. Let's go. I'm scared.
5 minutes later. A few moments later. Eventually.
Yeah, I was watching you on the camera. Team Toya and Carrie. We got him. So we left the gun for you. So how you didn't see that?
Yeah, I didn't think it was for me though.
You didn't think so? We got you. How you feel? Tell the fans.
Come on with my face.
Tell them how you feel. We got you. We got you, Kerwin.
Yeah.
Team Toya. And Carrie. You gotta say it.
We beat you.
Don't be a sore loser. Okay, Carrie.
I didn't shoot you
I
again.
don't know what's wrong.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh gosh. No, we have all the guns already over
No,
here.
I can go buy my own. I can buy my own. See how I feel. How I like it. Alright, we have a big one with a big ammo.
We got him, guys.
If you don't say, I can shoot you
Okay.
again. If you don't say, I can shoot you
I
again.
don't say nothing.
Team Toya and a
If you
Carrie.
don't say, I can
He's
shoot
been
you
a
again.
sore loser, guys.
I can shoot you again if you don't say it.
Yeah.
I can't let
I
go.
can shoot you
Okay.
again if you don't say it.
Now we could get back to doing this finally. Oh yeah, and yeah, guys. So
I can shoot
it is
you
currently
again.
the next day because we tried to do it yesterday, but he took so long to come home that
That's why every minute. Oh, you
No.
finish yet? You finish yet? You almost finished?
no, I was texting, but anyway.
You're lying.
So he took so long to come home that Akari had to go to bed because it was
No, I
school.
had to go to bed.
You get the idea.
Yeah, because it was getting
And then I was
time. But anyways,
We
we did it.
If you don't say to your uncle when I get
Yeah,
If you don't
Toya
say
call,
to
yeah.
if you don't say to your
That's it.
They're gonna be here all day, guys. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because we are back. Bye. Say bye, guys.
Adios. Bye.
You're gonna say bye, loser.
Bye. You are so loser.
You're gonna say bye.
Don't worry.
Tell the
Check
people
out,
bye.
Check out you later.
Richie on the